Hello. Uh, Hello students, my name is Vineet Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor, School of Pharmacy, BBD University, Lucknow. Today's topic of discussion is tetracycline and we will learn step by step different characteristics of tetracycline, SAR, use and drug interaction of it. So tetracyclines, as name suggests, this is tetra means 4, चार. Cycline means cyclic rings, यानी कि that compound is 4 cyclic ring है उसके अंदर, 4 cyclic rings. That's why it's called tetracyclines. And this is the structure of tetracyclines. So tetracyclines are octahydronaphthene derivative. This naphthene ring is there for 1, 2, 3 and 4 rings. And different substitutes different groups are attached with different various positions. So these are basically octahydronaphthene derivative, which are bacteriostatics and broad spectrum antibiotics. Bacteriostatics means these are the antibiotics which do not kill the bacteria completely, do not completely kill the bacteria, while the just reduce or almost block the activity of bacteria, but they do not kill. Who the kill? The antibiotics who have a bactericidal characteristics like penicillins. So tetracycline is octahydroethylene ring derivatives, bacteriostatics, and it's a broad spectrum antibiotics. Broad spectrum means they cover various bacteria or various kind of bacteria that kill certain infection causing microorganism and are used to treat wide variety of infection. Tetracyclines are introduced, these drugs are very ancient, like these drugs were introduced in 50 years ago, and potent broad spectrum antibiotics. They are biosynthesized from acetic acid and propionic acid unit in microorganism. So basically जो इनकी synthesis हुई वो कहाँ से हुई? acetic acid and propionic acid unit से हुई, जहाँ की microorganism से. Okay. So first of all we know that the antibiotics are obtained from microorganism and used against them. Yes. हम उन्हीं से इसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं या उन्हीं से इसको बनाते हैं और फिर उन्हीं पे इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Then tetracycline possesses a wide spectrum of activity, that is gram positive, gram negative bacteria both. So wide spectrum or broad spectrum, this means that the tetracycline equally active against either gram positive bacteria or gram negative bacteria. They are mainly designed for oral route, but parenteral and topical form are also available. इनिशियली जब ये मार्केट में आई या फिर जो भी इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था, सो इसको ओरल प्रेफरेंस था, लेकिन उसके बाद इसका पेरेंटल रूट और टॉपिकल फॉर्म भी इसका अवेलेबल हो गया. So this is the tetracycline structure. That is naphthene ring. 4 ring is there, and all ring have a different groups. Mainly the group are hydroxyl, like hydroxyl, carbonium, hydroxyl, thiol. These are the groups. Then what is the history of tetracyclines. In 1945, chlorotetracycline chlorotetracycline was the prototype, means first class derivatives, फर्स्ट इन क्लास सबसे पहले क्लोटेट्रासाइक्लिन ही बनाई गई थी. ऑफ टेट्रासाइक्लिन यानी 1945 में जो क्लोटेट्रासाइक्लिन है उसको ऑफ टेट्रासाइक्लिन्स वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय डॉक्टर बेंजामिन एंड एम डगर under the guidance of Eloprada Sabha Rao. These are the name of scientists who discovered this tetracycline, and the discover was chlorotetracycline as a prototype drug in 1945. He was an employee of Lederle Laboratory in USA. This is a laboratory in USA. And Dr. Ruger produced chlorotetracycline from golden colored soil bacteria called Streptomyces aureus faciens by fermentation technology. So the chlorotetracycline was a prototype, first in class. ये सॉइल गोल्डन सॉइल जैसे होते हैं, गोल्डन कलर सॉइल, सो वहां से इसको उस सॉइल से इन्होंने क्या किया, फर्मेंटेशन. एक so there is a laboratory in USA, Dr. Google colored soil bacteria, so called as Streptomyces aureus bacteria, and this is introduced by the fermentation technology. In 1945, first chlorotetracycline introduced, and in 1950, oxytetracyclines, tetramycin is also called, was discovered by Fendeler et al. From a similar bacterium called Streptomyces rhamnosus. While in 1950, Pfizer company received US patent for tetracycline. So firstly, this Pfizer received the patent in USA for tetracycline in 1950. 45 में पहली ड्रग, फिर 1950 में फिर दूसरा, उसके बाद फिर 50 में फाइजर ने उसको पेटेंट करा लिया. Later Ward determined the structure of oxytetracycline and made it easy to LH convert of Pfizer research department of producing tetracyclines as a synthetic product. Doxytetracycline, minocycline are the semi-synthetic derivative of tetracyclines. They are semi-synthetic, means half are from bacteria and half of from lab. In 2005, a new subgroup of tetracycline was introduced with azacitidine as the first member. Because of the structural similarity, tetracycline are referred to as a close congener of polycyclic naphthalene carboxamide. So this is basically history of the tetracycline. This journey start from 1945. The first prototype drug was discovered in chlorotetracycline and then after the second drug, oxytetracycline, which is also called tetramycin, is in 1950. Then in 1950 also Pfizer got the patent tetracycline, and in 2005 a new subgroup of tetracycline also introduced. So this is basically a journey of the tetracyclines. Okay, so the tetracycline was discovered from the Streptomyces aureus faciens. So is also soil से soil के जो बैक्टीरिया होते हैं वहां से Okay, then history is covered. Then source. Source where from the tetracycline max of the obtained. Tetracycline are all formed is synthetic, semi-synthetic, and naturally. So tetracycline are obtained from various species of Streptomyces bacteria by fermentation technology. So as in 1945, they also extract the bacteria from Streptomyces, kind of series or kind of species of bacteria is called Streptomyces is found in soil. It's also called a soil bacteria. So Mr. Dr. Dougal is also fermentation used, and this technology of fermentation they obtain the uh, prototype of tetracycline from Streptomyces bacteria. So first source is Streptomyces bacteria. Chlortetracycline is also called aromycin, which was isolated in 1948 from mud growing microorganism and Streptomyces aureophantines, so called because of its golden color. Means this mud is the color was this golden, as we discussed earlier. Then the second oxytetracycline tetramycin also called from Streptomyces rhamnosus. So basically the natural source of the tetracycline is uh, the bacteria species called as Streptomyces. And also, the tetracycline also synthesized in lab by different chemicals or different moiety using. So it can be available both in form either bacteria, either semi-synthetic. Then is classification according to the duration. Classification, this is according to the duration, means some are short acting, long acting, this kind of. So short acting tetracyclines means which have half life is about 6 to 8 hours, like a tetracycline, like a chlortetracycline, oxytetracycline. These three drugs have a short acting characteristic and have a life half life is 6 to 8 hours. While intermediate acting, who the intermediate acting is like a half life is about 12 hours, is called democycline, methacycline. The long acting, which have a life 16 hours or more. So these drugs acting very long time. So doxycycline, minocycline, and tigecycline. These drugs have a long acting characteristics. So these are the classification basically based on the their duration of action. If patient need short acting, so go for tetracycline and chlortetracycline. Patient long, then it's need patient long time of tetracycline, then doxycycline, minocycline. And this is also kind of classification, and this classification is based on their source, according to their source where from they are. So naturally and synthetics. So naturally occurring, which means which purely find from Streptomyces. They not synthesized in lab, or they do not modify it in any kind of groups. It's like tetracycline, chlortetracycline, oxytetracycline, democlocycline. So these four drugs basically totally pure naturally occurring drug. Why semi-synthetic? Semi-synthetic is means half of the part or their basic moiety is obtained from natural sources, while for getting a more better activity and more potency and safety efficacy the concern, so they are modified accordingly in NAB. How to modify? This is a QSR quality and also SAR, structure activity relationship. So according to based to their different group of adding to different position, and accordingly the effect of tetracycline will find. Semi-synthetic like doxycyclines, lamocyclines, meclocycline, and minocycline, metacycline, and the last whole tetracycline. So these around six drugs is from semi-synthetic, which half of the part is occurring naturally, and half of the part is synthesized in lab. While tetracycline, according to natural resources, they are purely natural. There is no modification there. Groups. Here is some structures, some groups where kind of substitution happen, and the different group have a different position and have a different name of drug. Like tetracycline on R1 position, as you know, this is R1 position. This is R2 and R3, R4. So basically, these four positions are more and more susceptible for the change or for accepting the different group, and accordingly we get to show the activity. Like if we talk about tetracycline, so they have a position number 7. Group R1 is only hydrogen, R2 have a hydroxyl group, while R3 have a methyl group, and R4 have a only hydrogen. So it's when we added these group accordingly, then it's the final structure will be called a tetracycline, and same as the other chlorotetracycline. So rest of the things R2, R3, and 4 are remain as such tetracycline, but R1 position will be replaced by chlorine, and hydrogen will replace with chlorine, and same as oxytetracycline. R1, R2, R3 are the same as tetracycline, but R4 position is different and replaced by hydroxyl group. So these are other groups where they are attached to different position, either R1, R2, 3, or 4, and their substitution will also and totally affect their activity. You know, uh, the activity of tetracycline will little bit different with meclocycline. Why? Because of that they have different groups, and also the meclocycline activity will also some little bit change with demeclocycline, because they have a different group or different positions. So this is actually this based on the HAR, structure activity relationship phenomena. Then this is the HAR. So basically we start the counting of this from here: carbonium and carbonium, carboxylic, no, no, carbonium, from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the numbering of start from this oxygen group, and the more and more chance of substitution is only 7 position, 6th position, 5 position. So 6th position have a 2 chance to you can introduce R2 and R3. So all derivative containing less than 4 ring are inactive. Means tetracycline, if we remove the one ring, if we remove the one ring, and we have add a lot of good group, there is no worthy, because the loss of one ring, loss of the whole activity, because this ring, this four member ring, sorry, four ring who's fused to each other is mandatory, or is called a pharmacophore for the activity of tetracyclines. So four ring is must, means either in all derivatives. That doesn't mean the tetracycline is only this, all derivatives belong to tetracycline, that ring is must. Substitution at 1 2 3 4 10 11 and 11a and 12 represent. Okay, so hydrophilic characteristic, that means the solubility to our water is good or high. If we represent this kind of 1, 2, 3, and 4, 10, 11, and 12 group, then the hydrophilic character properties. So replacement of amide at C2 position with aldehyde or nitrile abolishes activity CONH2 1 2 3 CONS2, the 1 2 3 4 or 4 alpha 5 and 5 is 6 6 7 8 9 10 11 2 and R1 R2 and R4. So if we added amide group methaldehyde that or nitrile, so in all this all kind of positions, as mentioned here, the activity of tetracycline is totally lost, so should not be added. uh, a slight modification of ring A can be done without much loss of activity. Ring A. So ring A, the slice modification could be done. Slice modification could be done, but if we needed, if we have a balanced group, so activity is not much loss of the activity. Aromatization of ring C gives in hydrotetracycline, which is losses activity than natural one. Of course, CONS2 1 2 3 4 and these of groups. So जो रिंग 7 है हमारी, वो रिंग सी सॉरी, वो टेट्रासाइक्लिन की जो उसको एरोमेटाइजेशन करेंगे तो एक्टिविटी लॉस देन नेचुरल वन, यानी कि जो नेचुरली होता है उससे कम हो जाएगी. द हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल फ्रॉम C5 then C9 may be altered in various ways. C5 and C9 is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means these are group at so these are the positions who are responsible for the lipid solubility characteristics. Modifications at C6 and C7 in particular afford product having greater chemical stability. Modification at C6 and C7 in particular afford product having greater chemical stability increased, you know position number 6, position number 7 in particular afford product having greater chemical stability, as 6 and 7. The 6 and 7, it's a kind of position where we add a group that decide the stability of the compound. And increased antibiotic activity and more favorable pharmacokinetics, of course. So 6 and 7 position is playing very much a role and crucial role or vital role in to decide the chemical stability and pharmacokinetic of tetracycline. Dehydrogenation to form a double bond between 5 and 11 markedly decrease activity. यानी कि dehydrogenation 5 and 11, 5A and 11A. If we lose one hydrogen, so there is will be a double bond, and that double bond means the activity will not remain same or activity will loss. Polar substitution at C5 and C6 contribute decreased lipid versus water solubility to tetracycle. 5 and 6 also decrease the lipid solubility versus. So 5, 6 and 7, this is the most favorable position for the change, like 5, 6 and 7. Retention of the configuration of asymmetric center like 4, 4A, 12A is essential where the configuration 5 and 5AC 6 may be altered. 4 and 12, 4 and 4A and 12A are the must, while 5 and 5A and 6 could be alteration. The amide hydrogen may be replaced with methyl group, but larger group have a deleterious effect except for those which is eliminated spontaneously in water. The, the dimethyl amino group may be replaced by a primary amino group without loss of in vitro activity, but all other change so far lead to decreased bacteriostatic action. Monoalkylation of amide group result in loss of activity. Presence of electron withdrawing group like chlorine, nitrogen, and electron donating group dimethylamine and C7 increase the activity. Epimerization at C5A gives or dehydrogenation and double bond formation between 5A and 11A markedly decrease the activity of tetracycline. Alkyl substitution at C11 leads to inactivate compound in because an analyzable beta diketone at C11-12 is essential for the activity. So the that was the SAR and this amphoteric nature. Amphoteric means they have amphoteric who have both nature, acidic and basic both. It's called amphoteric nature. Three structure unit, three group are responsible for amphoteric nature of tetracyclines. Three groups. Amphoteric nature of tetracycline. The tetracyclines are amphoteric compound. Amphoteric meaning they will form salt with both strong acid and base. Thus, they may exist as salt of sodium or chloride. Three structured unit of tetracycline representing 3 pK values pKa1 conjugated trione system extending from C1 to C3 of ring A is acidic nature of pK 2.2 to pK 3.4 and pK2 conjugated phenolic enone system from C10 to C12 is associated with weak basic pK value ranging from 7.2 to 7.8, and the third one is pK3. C4 atom and its substituent exhibits pK3 ranging from 9.1 to 9.7, which represent a strong alkaline nature. Because of the amphoteric nature, tetracycline forms water-soluble salt with strong acids such as hydrochloric acid and a strong base such as sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxides. So, tetracycline available in both form, either uh, they can make a salt with hydrochloric acids or acids or a strong base. We can make a salt with both acid or base. Then the mechanism of action of tetracyclines. Tetracycline inhibit protein synthesis by binding to the bacterial ribosome involved in the translation of protein synthesis process, making them bacteriostatics. You know, it bind to the bacterial ribosomes. It penetrate in bacteria and bind to the ribosome of bacteria. And the work of ribosomes is to protein synthesis, and they block that protein synthesis and ultimately bacteriostatic in nature. Bacterial ribosomes is a 70s particle made of 30s unit and 50. So, you know, side B. So the receptor amino साइड ए साइड होती है. Tetracyclines reversibly bind to the 30S ribosome at the A site to prevent attachment of the aminosyl tRNA, terminating translation process. They have excellent selective toxicity due to better binding to the 70S subunit in comparison to the 80S subunit. Tetracycline also show efficient transportation into bacterial cell. They enter through porins in gram-negative bacteria, and lipophilicity allows them to enter in gram-positive bacteria.